name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, and I have a TEMU unboxing for you. Actually, oh, hopefully I saw my address or not. I have two. So I have this bag I'm opening. Oh. I got a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to start out this haul with a pair of pajamas because I might wear these tonight. But I might want to wash them first. Oh, for sure I want to wash them first. Oh, okay. I'll probably wash them before. Oh, I like how they feel. They're soft. Oh, yeah. I like these. New jammies. Hold on while I try the jammy top on. One moment. I got the jammy top on. But I definitely need to wash it. Yeah, it kind of smells. But, yeah, okay. Well, let's see what other stuff I got. Some yarn. Oh, yeah, the socks. Yeah, I got some black socks that were like this that I like so much, so I got some more. Now I got some red ones. Yeah, like that. Oh, some more yarn. Oh, this is, okay. Yeah, you know, I've been passing over the yarn. So. This. Oh, that's nice too. Oh. Yeah, this is the thing you put in the car that's between the seats. So I can put my purse in here. So I'm like gonna strap this in the car. I got a place to put my purse. Not sure what these are. I think, did I get leggings? I did. I got leggings. So I got some leggings. Ooh, I hope they fit. They look like they might not fit. Might be a little small. So hopefully they fit because they're leggings with pockets. Those gotta go in, but the other gotta go in the wash for sure. So that was red. There's a gray one. Rose colored ones. Some black ones. I realized I had leggings. I might have a lot. I got some free ones coming up pretty soon too. So I might have a crap load of leggings. All right. That was it for the one bag. I have a second one. This, not feeling a very big box, is this cart. So I'll put this cart together and see how, it doesn't look like it's going to be as big as the cart I already have. So I'll have to stay tuned to the end to see how this turns out. Oh, more yarn. Make sure. Oh, okay, this is. I'll get to the yarn in a second. know what I was thinking. I got spoons. Why would I get spoons? Let's see. One moment. Okay. Oh. What the heck? Why would I get spoons? What was I thinking? Yeah, I got like 5 sets of these spoons. Like, why would I get that? They're cute. So I got 5 of these. No, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 8 of them. Came in a set. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, there's 8 spoons here. I'm getting a lot of crinkling noises. I'm sorry. I have another set of spoons. See, I got 1. Okay, there's 4 of these spoons. Okay. Those look cool. It's a heart. Nope. But yeah, interesting. I don't know why I got them, but I think they're like coffee or like teaspoons or something, but they're cute and they're decorative. All right, now let's go back and look at the yarn. All right, pack of 5. I don't think if I've gotten this yarn before. But again, kind of smell. So all I can go is what it says on here. 100 grams, 135 meters. And I have 5 of this. Feels very acrylic. It looks like a number 4. I'll get you a close look of the color. It's blue. Yeah, it's acrylic yarn. It's what it is, but very blue, very nice. Oh, that color. Okay, there's nothing written on color in that. But yeah. Acrylic yarn. That's what that is. I'm gonna move this over to the side. I got more of this type of yarn. Oh, sorry about the crinkly noises. I don't know. I like this. I want to say it's acrylic-y, but it's supposedly like a cotton acrylic blend, I believe. So this color, I don't think I've got this color before. It's like a blue or it's not blue. It's purple. It's purple, obviously. Purple and white and green. I like this. Yeah, I like this kind of yarn. So now I have a whole bunch like this. Okay, I'll put this aside. All right, this says genuine cotton. I think I got more of different colors. Are these all the same? Yeah, these are all genuine. I think these are all the same color, but this one's a red one. Let's see, is it cotton? Let's see if I can decipher the Chinese on here. 50 grams. It's 70% something and 32% something else. It's in Chinese. I don't know if I got that in focus. It's in Chinese. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I can't make out anything else other than it's a 50 gram. These are 50 gram balls. So yeah, I think I'll see if you can get a closer look and see what it is. I don't know if you can help see what that is. It looks like a tube. And it might be cotton, but kind of like how this feels, but this is kind of like, this is definitely at least a 5 for sure. Well, it says it's genuine cotton, so it might be in cotton. Probably an acrylic blend. You know. So we got red one, and I got like 4. Yeah, I got the same 4, and I got 3 other 4 in this cute little rainbow color. I like that. I like that. That is cool looking. Set those aside. All right, I have one more yarn ball that I got from a previous shipment, but I didn't show yet, so hang tight. Oh, I'm back. There, I got this in another shipment a while back. It's blue, and it's their big cake, big roll. So this, I believe, is a 200-gram ball. I think. Pretty sure. It's 100% acrylic, so it's their acrylic yarn. So obviously, it looks like a skein of yarn, like you would find like at your, you know, like Red Heart or Loops and Threads, that kind of thing. Hold on, I got a loops. Hold on, wait. All right, obviously, a future Michael's video coming up. This is their Loops and Threads. So obviously, there's more of this, and this is. How many grams are you? How much do you weigh? Oh, this is a. Oh, this one says it's 198 grams. This is supposedly 200 grams. You know, maybe this is a more dense cotton. Oh, this might not actually be 200 grams. I think this is supposed to be a 200-gram ball. This says this is 200 grams, so you tell me. This looks like this is way bigger. See, unless this is more dense. Which it very well could be. It could be more dense, but see, this looks like more like almost a borderline 3 or 4. I'm not angry about it. I do like this. I have to compare cost. That might be. Anyway, future video. Michael's haul. All right. So yeah, that is all I have right now. It's definitely past my bedtime recording this. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. I see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now. All right. Now I'm back. This is, they got 4 trays in here. So there's 4 trays for that. A bunch of these tubes. Some stickers. Some handles. And feet. And so there's some clips in here. And no instructions on how to put this together, so wish me luck. Well, here it is, put together. It was easy to put together. It is kind of, you know, it is plastic, so it will serve its purpose. So, and I didn't pay a lot of money for it, so I guess for what it is, it was worth it. So, all right. Again, thanks for watching. See ya.